Day 2, Cyprus. Chilling with the fella. About to go to this b-boy workshop. Oh shit, we got here already. Okay, never mind.
Let's try to do it. First question for you.
Just finished the workshop. About to go into the Cyprian supermarket.
Cyprian.
I mean, the carts here are a little different. It's like a roller basket. Interesting. Bananas.
This is the closest I've ever seen her. She always runs away. She likes sleeping there.
How do you like it?
Yeah, very nice. I'm putting some light for you. That's the first key.
A few moments later.
Now?
Isopalia.
Sopalia.
Isopalia.
Tomorrow.
Oh, that's tomorrow? God damn. We have an action packed weekend. What did you say? Did you say something?
This video.
Vija. Hello. Γεια σου.
Σε πολλά κοντά.
Whatever.
Θέλω να δω τα βυζιά σου και τον κόλο σου.
Are you guys trying to hop the fence of this abandoned church? No. Alright, we just hopped the fence of this abandoned church. Wait, what?
They have gargoyles
They have gargoyles.
on their churches.
Chill.
Tiene gargoyles.
And see that? You guys see that? Look, look, look. What's happening up there?
In the camera.